I'm Eddie.
I'm Gesmine.
And I'm Brent. Have you ever been fired or in trouble over miscommunication? That's what we're here to talk to you about today. The problem is that employees are confused when they are given a task by a leader. When there's confusion amongst employees, oftentimes the employees do the wrong task, or they do too little of the task. This causes the project to be inefficient and also costs the company money and time. When dealing with the problem, the first thing to do is to pose it as a question. The question that we came up with is, how can we reduce miscommunication about the tasks that need to be completed by employees when assigned by a leader?
The first criteria we considered is for the leaders should accept the fact that they need training on communication skills. If they accept this fact, then this is the first step in solving the miscommunication problem. The second criteria we considered is for the leaders to get training on communication skills. If they take classes on communication skills, then they would learn new and improved ways to communicate with their employees. The third criteria we considered is for the leaders to practice their new and improved communication skills with their employees. This would take time to master, so practice makes perfect.
After establishing the criteria, we use them to brainstorm the possible solutions we could use in order to solve the communication issue. We then evaluated each solution and chose the top 4 that we thought would be most effective in solving the issue. And the top 4 that we chose was an organizational chart, which would be a visual representation that would identify each job, its requirements, and to whom these jobs were assigned to. The second was to create a management training program that would enhance the knowledge and the communication skills for each manager to lessen any communication that they would have between employees. The third was to establish a common messaging process that would provide a single common process for all message delivery. And the fourth was to use surveys to get information and feedback from all organization members. These surveys would ask questions as to why these issues exist, who's responsible for them, and any solutions that employees would take to fix this issue. In conclusion, we ranked the 4, each individual member ranked the 4 decisions, and the most common 2 were solution 1 and solution 2, which was the management training program and the organizational chart. So our recommendation to fix the communication problem within an organization was to create an organizational chart after a management training program was completed.